Imagine a space where innovation thrives, connections flow seamlessly, and every moment is powered by cutting-edge technology. At the Taipei Nangang Exhibition Center, 5G is transforming the way we experience events. Another 5G deployment at Huashan 1914 Creative Park has become smarter and more spaces are shaped for creativity and innovation. Step inside the exhibition center and the creative park. Our 5G technology has transformed these venues into fully connected and intelligent environments in cooperating with ChungHwa Telecom. Powered by PEGATRON 5G, these facilities are equipped with advanced infrastructure and designed to deliver exceptional connectivity and performance. From 5G base stations and seamless network integration, every detail ensures stable and high-speed connections. 5G transforms public venues, fostering creative collaboration and innovation. With 5G, real-time crowd monitoring enhances safety and efficiency. Smart systems also optimize visitor flow, creating a safer environment for every event. 5G unlocks new possibilities for event engagement. Keynote speeches and panel discussions are streamed live and connecting global audiences in real time. Immersive AR and VR experiences bring digital art and creative showcases to life. Visitors can interact with virtual exhibits, explore augmented realities, and engage with art and design in dynamic and transformative ways. Behind every seamless experience is the power of 5G. Full coverage keeps every corner connected. Flexible and scalable networks ensure reliable performance with quick deployment and efficient maintenance, keeping these venues at the forefront of innovation and meeting the growing demands of diverse industries. Through PEGATRON 5G technology, the Exhibition Center and Creative Park are redefining what it means to connect, innovate, and inspire. Together, we're creating intelligent spaces that empower creativity, collaboration, and the future of events.